Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss HTML subscript tag. So this is lecture number 17 in HTML lecture series. This lecture is very important. So as students in previous lecture, that is lecture number 16, we have already discussed about superscript tag. So that lecture is very important. You can check the description box. I have already added link there. Okay. So in case of subscript tag, if you want to add any chemical equation or you want to add any chemistry equation in your web page, in your website, so we always use subscript tag. I will tell you everything practically in this video. So let's move to the introduction part first. So subscript, the sub tag. For example, if you want to add subscript tag, there is no need to add complete. There is no need to write complete subscript. You just add sub, that's it. Okay. So sub tag is used to add a subscript text to the HTML document, and sub tag defines the subscript text. This text appear half a character below the normal line and sometimes rendered in a smaller font. And also subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O to be written as H2O. So here I want to tell you with the help of simple example. So if I want to write any chemistry equation, chemical equation, we always use what? We always use subscript. First of all, I would like to tell you that in lecture number 16, we have used superscript tag. Okay, superscript means if I want to add any character, add any word as power of that particular word. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं a square plus b square. Okay, so here the character is above that particular statement line. So if I want to write like this, we always use superscript tag like sup only. In a similar way, we always use subscript tag, but the difference here is that if you want to add this particular statement, this particular character below the normal line, that means you want to add what? Subscript tag. You need to add subscript tag in this case. Okay. For example, here as I have told you, H2O. If I want to write it as H2O, so in this case, we always use what? We always use subscript tag. If I want to write it as H2O, so here in this case, I will use superscript, that means SUP tag. Okay, so here we have three examples. So in this video, keep watching this video till end. I will tell you everything practically. So let's move to the first example first. If I want to write this particular formula as it is by using the subscript tag, so how we can add it, how we can write it. Okay, so first let's write the basic structure of HTML. HTML head title. So title here is subscript. Close this title tag and then close the head section. Okay, now I'm starting here body tag. Close this body tag and close the HTML tag. So in between these body tags, I am going to write this particular example, that is AI bracket start, then OH3, OH3, OH bracket close and 3. Okay, so this is the same formula. If I am let me just save this particular program. So this is subscript dot html. Save. Okay, now here we have subscript dot html. So you can see there is a difference between this particular example. There is a difference between this particular example and this output. Here we have 3 in the same row, but here in this example we have 3 below this particular statement line. So if I want to write 3 below this particular statement line, so I will write here what? I will use subscript tag and then just close this tag, save and refresh. So you can see now the difference. What is this? Okay. Now let's move to the next example. So before going to the next example, BR, let me just write this BR tag. Okay. Next example we have is C3H6O. So C3H6O. Okay. Save and refresh. So now I want to add 3 and 6 as subscript. Yani ki I want to write 3 and 6 below the basic statement line. Okay. So what we need to do here is before 3, just start the subscript tag, and after 3, close the subscript tag. Before 6, start again, and after 6, close this tag. Save and refresh. C3H6O. Now we have last formula. This is the balanced chemical equation. So let me just write it first. Let me just write Br first. Okay. Now third formula we have is what? 2mg under bracket, sorry, write S. Okay. Next is plus O2 under bracket G plus O2 under bracket G. Approaches to, so I'm using equals to sign only, 2mgOg. Okay, so let's say 2mgOg. G is between these brackets. Okay, so this is the formula. Now I want to use subscript. So here we have a 0 subscript, so there is no need to write anything. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, for example, if I want to place every number number below this statement line, so I am using it as SUB. After 2, close this SUB. Okay, so before 2, again start SUB, and after this close SUB. Again similarly we have 2 here, SUB, and let me just close SUB here. Save this program and refresh this program. Okay, actually this is the wrong statement, but this is just to tell you that how you can write a subscript or superscript tag over a long statement. So don't get confused. Check the statement. Okay, again check the statement again, and you can see this is very simple thing. Okay, so as in previous lecture we have used superscript tag, and along with that superscript tag we have used font color and marquee tag. Similarly, if you want to add some other tags in this particular with this particular subscript tag, you can write anything. Okay, if I want to add font color is equals to blue, and close here font, save and refresh. And in first statement I want to give it a red color. So what we need to do here is start font again, font color is equals to red, and after that we need to close this font tag, save and refresh. In first statement I want to give color green. Okay, so I'm writing here again font color is equals to green, and after this subscription just close this close this font tag, save and refresh. Okay, so this is how we can use font tag along with any of the tag. Now I want to italic the between wali statement. Okay, I want to make it italic. So just write I here, and after font tag we need to close this and see the difference. I want to underline the first statement. So यहाँ पे underline के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We write U, and after this you close, save and refresh. So you can see how all these tags worked very smoothly together, right? If you want to use marquee tag, if you want to use anchor tag, you can do anything. Okay, so in previous lecture we have discussed body tags attribute like bg color. So let me just use it again. So sky blue, save and refresh. You can add any color, not just sky blue. If you want to add, you can add gray color. Refresh. Okay, so this is how everything works very smoothly in HTML. So this particular language is very interesting. If you like this video, and if you have any query, you can comment below. Okay, so thanks for watching.